Good morning from Eureka, well, almost to Eureka, California, and we're about to hike the Fern Canyon at Redwoods State Park. And here we go. They said there's some elk, deer, and mountain lions out here. Be responsible. And we're at Gold Bluffs Beach section, so it's not even a mile to Fern Canyon. And that's a funny side. You see the side too? It's a funny side. Look at that. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like and what to expect. So I'll see you soon. Yeah, guys, we are at the first of it, and this is what it's looking like. Man, this is cool. Look at this. It's giving Olympic National Park vibes, like seriously. As y'all might not know, this is where they filmed Jurassic Park. And this is where it all began. Isn't it beautiful? All right, I just put on my water shoes and I'm about to hop over here. So, oh my goodness, let's go. My brother's changing his water shoes because we don't want to really get our feet wet. Y'all may hear me scream, so just FYI. Trying to see the shallowest part to go across. Dude, every time we come, people just be gone.
Make sure I get a good one.
This is the official spot where they shot Jurassic Park. Isn't it amazing? Look at the ferns on the wall. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just like in awe right now. This is just amazing, you guys. If you're down here, please do Fern Canyon. It's amazing.
I'm glad I'm going.
Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful place, y'all. Oh my goodness. It's amazing. Tree. That's good. Them things look like marijuana. It's organic dinosaur and marijuana. We are just like in awe. We just cannot believe this place is like so beautiful. It's just breathtaking. I just cannot believe it. And there's a natural, there you go. Right? We gotta go. Is that way?
Yeah. Holy cow, I'll look back here. Oh, look at it from back this way.
Oh man, that's cool. We go through this ledge right here.
Yeah, go around.
Oh, go around right there.
Yeah, that was worth it.
Look at this tree, y'all. Cool. All right, you guys, we are done with Fern Canyon. It was a great hike. It wasn't too bad at all, under a mile. The water was extremely cold, so please bring water shoes. I think water shoes was just the way to go. Like, I did my research on TikTok and everything. Water shoes is the way to go. The ride out here, it was kind of bumpy, but it's manageable. So if you're ever near Eureka, definitely come out here to Fern Canyon. We got here 1 week before they required permits. So if you come this summer, you have to go online and submit a permit. So we didn't have to have a permit. It's $12 to get in, and you can go to Gold Bluffs, which is right on the coast, or you can come and hike Fern Canyon. So that's what we did. So now we're gonna go on to our next adventure. So I'm gonna take you with me.
Yeah, let's go, fools. Let's go.
That's right. That's right. That's my brother right there.